for some more work on my Sprinter van, doing some cleanup and removing some extra components I don't need. So the roof on this rig looks pretty good. There's a few little rust spots here and there. Those will be easy to clean up. The worst part's going to be those seams. Time to take some measurements, both for the 2 Maxxair fans I plan to install and the pair of 200-watt solar panels that will go in between. For getting that glue residue off, a friend recommended Goo Gone, and it seems to work pretty well. It's not getting all of it off, but it's helping get the big chunks off. Places with this odd looking residue. I don't know what I'm going to do with this stuff. In researching how to get these clamps off, it sounds like there's a tool that will allow you to pull these things off, but I could not get it to work. So I ended up just going at it with a pair of clippers. There's the tool. You failed me, tool. It turns out the metal used for these clamps is a bit tough, and I ended up basically ruining this pair of clippers. This is the point when I learned there's still a little bit of pressure in these lines. Pulling on it is releasing it very slowly. If I stand here like this all day, this is going to take forever. I've got an idea. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Now that the pressure's gone, it's time to start removing hoses and electric connectors. About this point, I've decided there's no way I'm getting these hoses off intact, so I'm going at them with a box cutter. And that's one piece down. I still have at least 3 more to go. Colorado, we tend to get snow in March. Sometimes a lot of snow. So, no working on the van for a while. These yahoos decided to build a snow ramp in front of the van. So this is a good time to start messing around with my climate control module. That center knob controls which vents get air, and it is broken. It will only rotate a short distance. But you can see when I flip the module upside down, it does spin pretty freely, and only in one direction. The other direction it stops. It turns out there's a bit of the track on that white cylindrical piece that's been broken off. You can see the hard edges there. So I reached out to a guy I know who deals in used parts, and he sent me a completely working climate control module, and I'll be putting that in soon.